back on the Seaducer. I got the rudder bracket sanded down on that corner so it'll fit right where it needs to. Right about there. So that way, I called for 3/16 down from the seam and 1 3/4 inches over for the rudder. So from center line over 1 3/4 inches, right there, and just roughly, and 3/16 below the seam, so that way I can still get for trim tab adjustments. Anyway, I got my hole marked. Yeah, go do a pilot hole, get that first one started, and then go from there. Also today, we're going to punch the hole for a stuffing tube, and then see where we go from there. Alright, clean my marks off, get it up there, get everything lined. Alright, now I'm going to clean everything up and get her on there. Got the hole drilled for the steering rod seal. It's had to mount it on the inside. This will be the first time I've done one this way. So anyway, making progress. Now for the stuffing tube. 1/4 inch brass, 1/4 inch drill bit. I need a new 1/4 inch bit. This one kind of sucks. Got the hole. Get our brass tube in. So now we just got to find our CG so we can get our motor mount and stuff in, get it mocked up, then we can get this tube bent and cut to length and a support built for it. So yeah, all right. Work this thing out. All right, got the motor lined up. I put everything in the boat, put a battery in, servo, all that stuff. I think this is the final position I'm going to have the motor at. It's 4.5 inches from the transom is what Jerry recommends on his P Limited boat. That's going to be the same setup, even though this is a 34-inch boat and not the 30 or 32-inch or 31, whatever his P Limited boat is. Because I'm setting this one up different. No, this hole in the directions for the setup is for a P mono, which will have the saddle packs and the ESC and the motor up a little bit further, so you can adjust your CG with your batteries here on the side. This one's going to have a single battery up front, the 36 millimeter motor further to the back. So I got it at 4.5 inches. That's where I'm going to set it at. Remember, it's almost right on the money, but I got to burn a little bit off, so it'll be right on the money from the front of the motor plate to 4.5 inches. So got it centered up, took some measurements from the side, made this little line up tool just to kind of poke in the hole, line up on my shaft. So it's good enough. We're fixing to glue it. It'll be my first time using this stuff. This is the Wired for Signs structural methylcrylate adhesive. So see how it goes. Pretty strong smelling stuff. All my holes are covered. So I can always go back with another bead later on, and then I'll definitely get some on the inside of the mount. Alright, so over here, we'll get this bad boy butted up to her. And get some adhesive on it also. Alright, here we go. Wish I had a little super glue to hold it in place, but I'm just not that lucky. Oh, mine was dried up. So. Alrighty. Let that set up. Like I said, this is my first time with this stuff. I'm going to put some weight on that tray to hold it. Weight on the tray. hopefully that does the trick. We'll see. We will see. Alright, got a piece of 1/4-inch tubing bent. I just need to cut it off. Got a really good angle on it. The motor is sitting all the way down in the mount. All the way down, as flat as it can be. So I'm just going to have to go up just a little bit to get my tubing just, come on phone, focus, to get it perfect right there. And holding it there, I just need to lift the back of the motor just a hair, and it's going to be just right. Just right. So anyway, that's going to be it for this one. Probably off camera, I'll make a brace for right here out of carbon fiber just to hold it up, get it epoxied in, and then we'll start working on electronics, getting everything soldered up, put into place, and then hit the water. So appreciate everybody sticking with me through this build. We're learning together.